This new dart now measures 4.5 inches. So 2.25 is half of that. I'm going to just draw a very light pencil guideline like this and back away from the apex 1/2 inch. And now draw the new legs of the new dart from this new 1/2 inch mark down to my notch. And there is our new dart. Next, I take one leg, the first leg of the dart, the one closest to center front. I'm going to crease it and fold it over to meet the other leg, like so. And using my tracing wheel, I'm going to go over the waistline right through all the layers of the paper, of the dotted paper, like so. And when I open it up, it will look like that. You can see these little tiny holes right there that the tracing wheel made. Okay, so using my French curve, I'm going to connect all those little tiny holes left by the tracing wheel. And there's a certain slight shape to it. So now we have a new pattern with one dart. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.